Imagine getting paid to learn programming. Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly what happened to me for about 2 years. And here's the thing. I didn't have a degree. I didn't get some fancy job offer. And my English? Yeah, let's just say it wasn't perfect either. But none of that stopped me. In fact, I barely knew anything about accounting, but I ended up building a Python script that saved an entire team hours of work every day, every single day. And that's what got me noticed. Let me tell you how it happened and how you can do the same. A few years ago, I was working in a warehouse, lifting bags of sugar, do stock rotations, same routine every day. But I had this passion for coding, so I was learning on the side, but I had no clue how to turn it into something that actually paid me. I kept thinking, should I apply for a job? Should I try freelancing? Should I build something on my own? And honestly, I was overthinking everything. And the biggest mistake I was making, I was just coding random things, like to-do apps, calculators, just random things. But I wasn't solving real problems. Then one day, I had this thought, what if I use my coding skills to fix something at work? So I went to the accounts team and asked, hey guys, what's the most annoying thing you have to do every day? And let me tell you, they had a list. Turns out they were spending hours doing payment reconciliations every single day. And they were constantly behind on their work because it was so time consuming. Now here's the crazy part. I knew nothing about accounting, zero, but I asked him to explain their exact process to me, step by step. And once I understood it, I transposed those steps into code. I built a Python script using Selenium that automated the entire process. Well, it wasn't something I've done in the past and it took me about a week. But guess what? Boom! Suddenly they were saving hours every single day. Not only did it save them time, but now they were actually catching up on their work. They went from constantly being behind to actually being ahead on their reconciliations. And on top of that, I freed up so much of their time that they could focus on more important things. And then my manager noticed, and that's when everything changed. For the next 2 years, I kept getting more projects, fixing things, automating tasks, improving workflows. Every time I learned something new, I got to apply it and get paid for it. And that's when I realized making money from coding isn't about having a degree. It's not about landing some perfect job. And it's definitely not about having perfect English. It's about solving real problems for real people. And the best part, you don't have to wait for someone to give you permission. You can create your own opportunities. And if I were starting over today, here's exactly what I will do. First, solve real problems where you are. Look around. Your job, your school, or even at home. What's repetitive? What's frustrating? If you can code a fix, people will notice. And that can open doors. Second, start freelancing on the side. You don't need to be an expert. Just start. Help a friend with their website. Automate something for a small business. Hop on Fiverr or Upwork or Tiny Gigs. You'll learn way more by doing than by watching tutorials. Third, try small paid projects. I've seen developers make thousands just selling simple scripts, Notion templates, or Chrome extensions. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be useful. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one small coding project you could do that actually solves a real problem? Drop it in the comment and I'll check them out. And if this helped you in any way, hit like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. More real-world coding advice coming your way. Wishing you the best of luck. You got this.